You got the stuff, man? Got the stuff. He already opened the box, too? What is up, guys? What is up? I got it. Your boy got it. Your boy got that new steering wheel, cuz. Shouts out to my boy Nick for helping me cop it, coming through clutch and helping me get the Hundreds Illest collaboration steering wheel. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video, obviously. And here it is. Here it is. I'm super excited. So honestly, let's just get into it. We got the Illest steering wheel box, or the box that it comes in. All shiny, all black. Got a sticker, Illest The Hundreds 24-hour Le Mans champions. Pretty dope, pretty dope. I'll put this off to the side. And then, surprise in the box, they shot me a sticker. Their collaboration sticker, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Got to figure out where I'm gonna put this at. But yeah, let's open this. This is why we are here. This is why we are here, and I'm pretty stoked. I'm super stoked. So let's open this up. Let's just jump straight into the steering wheel, honestly. So yeah, we got some goodies in here, but we'll get to that afterwards. Came through with a beautiful tote bag. Shouts out, says Renown all across it. On both sides. Pretty fresh. And so, let's open this up. I've been waiting for this for a cool minute. What the? What? I paid $800 for this on eBay? Nah, I'm just kidding. Alright guys, this is actually a hookup from my supervisor, aka really good friend, Jose from work. He shot me this Ital Volante steering wheel for free. It's just been chilling in his garage, and he told me when I got my 240 that he would actually shoot me this. It's got plenty of wear and dirt all over it. Bottom button is actually kind of busted, but the top two work. And made in Italy in '87. Pretty fresh, pretty fresh. So I'm super duper thankful for this. Shouts out Jose, you the man. But I'm just kidding. That's not really the steering wheel. Bop, bop, bop. Your boy really did get the steering wheel. Like I said, shout outs to my boy Nick. For he told me about this steering wheel the day before it was actually coming out. I was actually gonna pass up on this. I was really hard up for it, and I was gonna get like me and two other guys to try to sit and get it, like online. Then I got to a point where it's like, maybe I shouldn't. It's kind of expensive probably, and I should save my money so I can put the car in the shop. But at the very last minute, when I was telling him never mind, he's like, "Are you sure?" I was like, "All right then. If you can get it, then get it, but if not, it's all right." And so I had him just sitting waiting to get it. And shouts out to Apple Pay, because they took Apple Pay and it had all his information, so he was able to get it. And these sold out in about 3 minutes at least. Yeah, so I'm super stoked. So let's get some more detailage on this. Right here we got the Hundreds, and it says Illest Worldwide, and you got your fresh atom bomb on the front. In the middle it says Renown. So it's a Renown steering wheel. I've actually never heard of Renown steering wheels in my life before until this. One of my boys, or a couple of my boys, were thinking that this is a Vertex steering wheel due to how deep it is. It is a deep steering wheel. One of the freshest things about this steering wheel, at first I thought it just had this embroidery, this stylization, but then I saw this and I was sold. It says the Hundreds is huge on the back end with your atom bomb logo or mascot, and that like was over the top. I was like, I need this steering wheel. They didn't even have a price, but I was like, I need this steering wheel. So this is it. it's really beautiful, beautiful leather, beautiful black leather, black stitching in the front, fresh atom bomb, all embroidered. I honestly thought it was gonna be a little bit smaller as far as like diameter wise, but it's pretty good size. I really like it a lot. Yeah, right here, Renown, and then Illest. That's pretty fresh in itself. So just branding all around. I'm really happy with this purchase for sure. There's a couple more things. Got your hardware, all that jazz. And when I first saw this steering wheel on their Instagram, I noticed that there was no horn button. And so I was really bummed about that. Like, I still wanted it, but I was like, all right, I'm gonna have to find a horn button. But to my surprise, they hooked it up with a horn button. And so let me get this out of here. Boom. The Hundreds, Illest. Pretty fresh horn button. So I'm excited to get this thrown into the 240. Oh no! So yeah, I'm pretty stoked on that. And then I got my work spell quick release. So this will all be in the 240. Quick release. I just need to buy a hub. And so I'm thinking about going with a quick work spell short hub. I still got to source that and find that and buy that. But yeah, until then, this gets to chill right here on my new rack. I've been actually working on this rack today. I've been noticing that like I've been really wanting to work on my background. Every time I look at my videos, and it's obviously in here in the back room, it kind of is like I wasn't just really happy with how it looked. It looked really cluttered, and I figured at least if it's gonna look cluttered, I'd rather have stuff that represents me and that I'm about. So this one is gonna end up going into the Civic until I get rid of the Civic, and I will end up probably getting an EF hatch to replace the Civic. But until then, this is the shelf, guys. This is the setup. And it's pretty fresh. 2 steering wheels. I think that looks pretty dope. Got my board set up, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, that's going to be it for this, guys. Let me know. What do you think? What do you think of the steering wheel? Yeah, let me know what you think of this collaboration. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Were you guys able to cop it? Let me know. And if you copped it, are you satisfied with it? Me, I'm super satisfied with it. I'm really happy with this purchase. It actually didn't cost too much. I got it for under 500 bucks. I got it directly from the website. I did not go on eBay. I'm seeing it selling on eBay for anywhere from $650 all the way to 800 bucks. I don't even know if those are sold, but I got mine. Did you get yours? Let me know. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.